In this quick guide, you'll learn how to change your Chime debit card PIN with ease. Whether you've forgotten your current PIN or simply want to update it for security reasons, this process is quick and straightforward. Let's get started. First, make sure you have your smartphone handy with the Chime app already installed. Open the app and sign into your account using your credentials. If you don't have the app installed yet, head over to your device's app store, download it, and log in with your existing Chime account details. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard, which displays your account balance and recent transactions. Next, look for the settings icon. It's usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access a list of options. From this menu, select Account Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your Chime account, including your debit card settings. Now, find the option labeled Change PIN. Tapping on this will initiate the process of updating your PIN. At this point, for security purposes, you might be prompted to verify your identity. This could involve answering security questions or confirming a code sent to your email or phone number. This step ensures that only you can make changes to your account settings. Once your identity is verified, you can proceed to enter your new PIN. Choose a number that's easy for you to remember, but difficult for others to guess. It's a good idea to avoid common sequences like 1, 2, 3, 4, or repeating numbers. After you've entered your chosen PIN, you'll need to confirm it by typing it again. This double-entry system helps ensure you haven't made any typos. And there you have it, your Chime debit card PIN has been successfully updated. From now on, use this new PIN whenever you make transactions with your Chime debit card. Remember, regularly updating your PIN is a great practice to enhance the security of your account. It helps keep your finances safe and gives you peace of mind. If you ever need to change it again, you can simply follow these same steps. Thanks for watching this quick tutorial on changing your Chime debit card PIN. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more useful tips on managing your finances with ease. If you have any questions or need further assistance, leave a comment below and we'll do our best to help. Have a great day and stay secure.